Prescription fraud is a serious problem in our area, and Fox 8's Kim Wynn spoke to a pharmacist in Guilford County who has seen an increase in this very crime.
Katie, that's right. Pleasant Garden Drugstore has dealt with nearly a half a dozen phony prescriptions in the last 2 months. It's an issue they say has been getting worse as the opioid epidemic has grown.
It's been going on forever.
But lately, pharmacist Elizabeth Vieira says it's been happening a lot more.
9 times out of 10, we just know immediately it's fake if it is.
Phony prescriptions.
The whole thing was fake.
Or real prescriptions changed by the patient.
They changed the 5 to a 2 so that they could get it filled 3 days earlier.
Vieira works at Pleasant Garden Drugstore, where at least 4 fraudulent prescriptions have been brought in the last 2 months.
Stolen prescription pads from doctors' offices, or people have ordered prescription pads online.
Vieira says the fakes are easy to spot.
The handwriting, a lot of times it looks like they've tried to write over it twice.
In many cases, the patient is trying to buy opioids.
2 of the cases have been codeine cough syrup.
With nearly half of their prescriptions still in written form.
I just don't even know that we can stay ahead of the problem.
Vieira says once they call the doctor and things don't check out, they call police.
Usually we'll kind of stall here and get the cops here before the person leaves with the prescription.
Dr. Courtney Bradley with High Point University says pharmacists are seeing the spike with the growth of opioid abuse.
We're seeing a rise both in this area and nationally.
Bradley says a major red flag all pharmacists should check for.
We're looking for things that, might be very high quantities or maybe a high dosage.
They'll act a little fidgety, or they talk to you a little too much, or, they say they want to pay cash for it.
No matter which red flag pops up,
you just know when you see one that something's up.